Hello students, today we are doing the story Pigeons at Daybreak. This is the first chapter of your book Pigeons at Daybreak. So pigeons ये तो आपको पता ही है कबूतर daybreak means early morning. Early morning when the pigeons are there in the sky. So this is the meaning of the title Pigeons at Daybreak. Now the story starts. The story is written by Anita Desai and she is a very famous writer in Indian English. Story records of leisurely pace of life of aged couple living in Daryaganj, Delhi. So Pigeons at Daybreak is a story that is about old man and his wife. The old man is easily irritated due to his illness. So he is suffering from asthma, but his wife is tolerant ऑफ हिज विम्स की जो उसकी परेशानियाँ होती हैं, जो उसका सनक होती है, उसकी वाइफ उसको टॉलरेट करती है. सो बेसिकली द मेन टू कैरेक्टर्स इन दिस स्टोरी आर द ओल्ड कपल बासु एंड हिज वाइफ ऑटिमा. Basu is suffering from asthma. This is what I told you now. One day there is an electricity cut at night. He cannot sleep in the hot weather without the electricity fan. So they shift their bed on the rooftop. But Basu cannot sleep during the night. In the morning, the weather becomes cooler, but then he dies. So, this is the brief story. Now, the story, how do we read the story? First of all, while reading this story, we have to see what is the situation in this story, who are the characters in the story. We have to see so many things while reading the story. First of all, what is the situation? Second, who are the characters? Then, what is happening in their life? And what are the problems in their life and how they are solving their problems, and what happens in the beginning and what happens in the end. So this is a touching story of an old couple, Basu and Otima. The husband is a patient of asthma and often has attacks of his diseases. When the story starts, Mr. Basu is sitting in his chair in the balcony. He cannot read the newspaper himself. His wife reads the paper to him. So here we see that he doesn't even want to read the newspaper his own. He wants help in everything, very small things. छोटी छोटी बातों में भी बासु को अपनी वाइफ की हेल्प चाहिए. He calls his wife to come and read out the news to him. She is in the kitchen but is busy with some work. She takes her time. In the meantime, Mr. Basu gets irritated and impatient. Here, this shows the impatient nature of Basu. This shows about his character, how impatient he is if the works are not being done by his wife, because he himself is a sick person. When Otima is free from her work, she is ready to read out the newspaper. She comes to him and reads out the newspaper. For him, there is nothing special in the news. That's why Basu gets irritated finally. Otima reads out the news, and there is a news that there will be electricity cut in the area during that night. This news irritates again Mr. Basu, and he complains that he would not be able to sleep that night properly. So the thought of having to sleep in the heat without electricity fan makes Basu so worried that he has an attack of asthma. इसी परेशानी से कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रात को नहीं होगी, उसको अस्थमा हो जाता है. He calls out his wife, को अपनी वाइफ को बुलाता है that he is short of breath, कि उसको बहुत कम सांस आ रही है. His wife gives him the inhaler. He inhales from it and feels some relief. The postman brings a letter from their son who is at Bhilai. Otima reads out the letter that he is fine and doing work well. This also gives him some relief. At night, Basu's wife suggests that they would move their beds on the rooftop and sleep in the open air. As they are old, they cannot move up the beds themselves, so they take the help of their neighbors. As announced in the newspaper, the electricity was switched off at 8 in the evening. Otima makes other arrangements for Basu, and she also makes bed for Basu and make something comfortable so that he may feel comfortable. But Basu is too distracted by the sound of traffic of sleep. All through the night he moaned and gasped for air. कि वो करहाता है सारी रात और सांसें भरता है. Towards dawn, it is so bad that his wife has to get up and मसाज हिज चेस्ट, कि उसकी चेस्ट को उसको मसाज करना पड़ता है ताकि उसको सांस आए, एंड इट सीम्स टू रिलीव हिम. She goes down to bring water for her husband. To her surprise, there is light on in their flat. She goes up the stairs and asks Basu to come down, but he tells her to leave him. बासु उसको बोलते हैं कि leave him alone, कि वो उसे अकेला छोड़ दे rooftop पर ही, and says that it is cooler now. The morning has brought cool breeze, ठंडी हवाएं चल रही हैं from Jamuna river. Basu is lying flat and still. शांत पड़ा है बासु, गेजिंग अप, आसमान की तरफ देख रहा है. हिज माउथ इज ओपन, उसका मुंह खुला हुआ है. एज इफ टू लेट इट पोर इनटू हिम, कि ठंडी हवाएं उसके अंदर चली जाएं. एज कूल एंड फ्रेश एज वाटर, पानी की तरह ठंडा बिल्कुल. देन अ फ्लॉक ऑफ पिजन सडनली फ्लाइज, तब एकदम से कबूतरों का समूह ऊपर से उड़ता है इन द स्काई, एंड सून डिसअपीयर, और वहाँ से डिसअपीयर हो जाता. तो दिस इज़ वेरी सिम्बॉलिक कि पिजन्स आते हैं और वो डिसअपीयर हो जाते हैं. दैट मीन्स द राइटर हिंट्स दैट बासु हैड डाइड, कि वो उसकी जो आत्मा है उसके शरीर को छोड़कर चली गई है. पिजन्स सडनली फ्लाइज इन द स्काई एंड सून डिसअपीयर्ड. दिस इज द symbolic of death of Basu. So here a simple life has been shown by the writer, what sort of life the old couple was living in the old age, what is the condition of people and how they suffer and what sort of nature they develop, उनकी nature किस तरीके से हो जाती है old age में, और कैसे they have to struggle their own when their kids are away from them, and especially when they have health problems, and it is only Mrs. Basu who has to handle all the things her own. So this is the end of the story. You have to do one question, that is the title, how the title is relevant. Second is the character sketch of Otima and character sketch of Basu, and how the lesson ends, how the story ends. तो ये आपका चैप्टर था, एंड इसी यहीं पे हम आपके चैप्टर को क्लोज करते हैं. इसमें अगर आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आता तो यू कैन गिव योर मैसेजेस. ओके, थैंक यू.